Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me another free product, and this is a paid review. Let's get right to this product. It is a Retoreath Pro Folding Shower Chair. This is for, folks that are getting a little on in years, or if you simply have a handicap of some sort, and you're having little issues taking baths or showers, and you need a seat for this bath or the shower. This is what this is for. It folds. Let's open this up and see what it looks like, shall we? This looks very, very well built. Move my chair out of the way here so that we can just get right on with this. I'm going to adjust my chair down here. So you can see that is a well-built shower chair. It also I would guess, comes with does not come with it, but it could, adjust so that a person could use it over the top of a toilet. You can put this right on top of a toilet, and that way a person could sit a little higher over the toilet and have these arms to sit down with. Pretty nice deal. I know that when I hate not talking to the camera. I know when my wife had her hip replaced, this would have come in really handy for her. So this would have been really nice. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take this up to, I'm a full-time RVer. Heck, you know what? I'll just sit down in this chair. It's actually very comfortable. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this up to the shower house where I'm at, and we're just going to see how it fits in the shower, and we'll go from there. But this is I'm a big guy. I'm not a small person. This is a very sturdy, strong, very nice shower chair. I would highly recommend it already, but we're going to go ahead and see. I want to show you how it fits in a normal shower stall. But I already love this product. It's really, really well built, and I'm putting all of my weight on those arms. It is not even moving. So let's go check it out in an actual shower, shall we? I think that fits really good, guys. And I wanted to show you that it's completely foldable too.